So this is eucalyptus. A ton, medical benefits, stuff like that, whatever. I suggest look it up, fall down that rabbit hole. Smells great. And the only downside is, here in Wisconsin, you gotta watch out for koala bears, because they will eat this stuff. My attention here, though, is this guy, Cuban oregano. Try it. If you like it, it might even replace your regular oregano. If a recipe ever asks you for particularly for Cuban oregano, do not substitute it. You'll be highly disappointed. All right, we're just gonna leave that at that.